Men, feeling exhausted, gaining weight, or losing drive? It might be low testosterone. As men age, testosterone levels naturally decline. But today, more men are experiencing symptoms earlier, even in their 30s and 40s. Stress, poor sleep, environmental toxins, and chronic inflammation all contribute to low T. And most men never realize their hormones are the root cause. At Patients Medical, we specialize in bioidentical hormone therapy for men. Using natural, plant-derived hormones that match your body's chemistry, we help restore healthy testosterone levels safely and effectively. Balanced hormones can improve energy, metabolism, libido, confidence, muscle strength, mood, mental clarity, and overall vitality. We perform comprehensive hormone testing, evaluate stress and lifestyle factors, and create a personalized plan that supports long-term, healthy testosterone levels. Our BHRT programs may include testosterone pellets, creams, injections, or supportive therapies, all monitored closely by our specialists. We don't treat symptoms, we treat people. Before recommending any therapy, we listen to your concerns, understand your goals, and address the root cause of your hormonal imbalance. Book your BHRT consultation in NYC. Call 212-794-8800.